keyword research, gap analysis, content planning. Each one a separate tool, a separate tab, a separate day. What if you could do it in a few minutes? Stus AI is a chat-based platform with specialized SEO workflows. You pick the task, the agent runs it, and you get a structured report ready to act on. Agents are easy to launch. Click the agent section, type @ and pick from the list. Or just describe what you need in plain text. The system figures out the right workflow. Enter your domain and region, hit run. You can open multiple chats and run several agents at the same time. Each works independently in its own tab. Start with competitor analysis. It finds your real competitors, maps their pricing models, and breaks down the semantic patterns they're ranking for. Here's where it gets interesting. The content architecture table shows which URL clusters your competitors are built around, wholesale, gift sets, and which ones you're completely missing. Then it gives you a prioritized strategy: build wholesale landing pages, create hub content around your product, go after those queries where competition is thin. Concrete actions for the short, medium, and long term, not general advice. An SEO specialist doing this manually needs up to 6 hours of analysis, 2 more hours writing it up. Now it takes 5 minutes. Content Gap Analyzer takes competitor keyword data and builds a full content strategy, but not just a keyword list. It starts by identifying your ideal customer profiles. This site caters to shoppers, gourmets, and sweet tooths. Then it generates topics with matching keywords for each persona. And this isn't a common list. Every topic maps to a real search need and a specific audience segment. Roughly a year's worth of content, planned before your coffee gets cold. Keywords for URLs goes on the particular page. For each page, it detects the keyword type, assigns primary and secondary keywords, for a single page in this example, and then does something most tools skip. It shows you the competitors for that specific URL, not just the domain, and it generates a QA gaps block, questions your page should answer to improve semantic coverage, and FAQ sections. The Seasonality Detector analyzes keywords and returns year-over-year search volume charts. You can see, for example, that bicycle-related queries peak in May and drop off sharply in August. Group your keywords and compare peaks across years. It's useful for planning ad budgets or spotting when a seasonal window opens earlier than expected. The next is On-Page SEO Audit, which checks your page content, freshness signals, and technical flags, then goes one step further. Instead of just flagging a problem, it shows you the fix. Not something "your title needs work." Here's the specific title we'd recommend, and here's why the current one underperforms. 2 things worth knowing. First, every agent outputs 2 formats. We have polished the HTML file so you can share it as is with a client or stakeholder. The CSV and Markdown files is for editing. Feed it into another LLM or pass it to a copywriter. And the second insight, you can use the chain agents in a single request. Type something like, "Run keywords for URLs on this page," then check seasonality for the top phrases. And the system executes both steps in sequence, automatically. And the workflows don't stop at Serpstat data. Stus AI connects to the tools already in your stack. Lighthouse for performance and accessibility audits, Google Search Console for real ranking and indexation data, Google Sheets, and a page scraper for on-demand competitor content extraction. Every agent can draw on these connections, meaning the output isn't just smarter, it's already integrated into how your team works. Multiple workflows, one platform. Keyword research that takes 3 minutes instead of 3 hours. Visit Stus AI, free SEO automation for you to try.